How to post poll results on Instagram story. So here is a step-by-step guide on how to post poll results on Instagram story for perfect engaging your followers and showing what they voted for. Open the Instagram app. So I have not posted any poll story on my story. So let me just do that first of all. Tap on the Your Story button available at the top left, then post any. So let me just click a random picture, or you can import it from a gallery as well. Then tap on the sticker icon at the top. Then select the poll sticker. Once you select it, type your questions and also include your options. So here, let me type down the weather today. This is just a example. You can type down any questions or any options according to your preferences. So once your poll is ready, just tap on the done and post it to your story. Now, once posted, wait for a few minutes for your followers to vote. Give followers time to vote for like almost 24 hours. So I do not have any followers available in my this account. So I'll just show you within a minute. So now I have posted it. Let me just tap on my story and recheck it. Now go to the followers, and here you can see no one has voted on my poll. Let me just vote it on my own and tap on it again and check your posted story. Now here you can see the polls results, votes and percentages. Now tap on the share results option available at there. Now it creates a new story with the final result chart and post it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.